My name is Bill Lewis, and I'm the coordinator for the guest lecture series. Every fall, we strive to bring noted speakers from various disciplines to speak to our class on Zoom. Our sessions are 90 minutes to be divided between the speaker's remarks, followed by a robust Q&A period with the class. The interchange of viewpoints between speakers and those in class are, by all accounts, the most popular part of the lecture series. So who do we have lined up for this fall? Well, to name a few, Karen Tumulty, the associate editor for the Washington Post, will join us as a speaker. Former ambassador to Ukraine, Bill Taylor, will talk to us about the war going on between Ukraine and Russia. And we'll also hear from a former U.S. Secret Service agent, professor from the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, and the producer from the Apollo Theater, which last year became the first institution to be awarded Kennedy Center honors. The full list of speakers will be included in the fall catalog. I hope you will join us every Thursday afternoon to interact with some amazing speakers. As classes in the past have discovered, I am confident you will find the lecture series to be both informative and stimulating. Thank you.